Hi, I am Patrick van der Meer, and we're back in all the things that we need to know for building websites on Azure websites. Okay, so um, I've been doing a little pre-work for this video. I don't want to bore you too much. Remember that our website was white with a blue bar. And I actually, when we took examples in the last videos, we took the darkly theme. So let's change the darkly theme. So what you do is actually go in here, and we need the files Bootstrap minimum CSS or Bootstrap CSS. So you can either download them and copy them over the files that are already in your project, or you can just go open this. Actually, this is the way to save it. So let's also see what if. This is in the browser Edge, so that will actually give an easy way to download this. If you do this in Chrome, you might get a different effect. So you go to Darkly and you click on this mini best, and then it just gives all of this. So if you have that, you can just actually copy it out with Control A and then Control C to copy, and then you go over to your project. Where is it? Over here. You find the file. There's this file. Sorry, this file. Whoops. Oh boy, I'm opening something that I didn't want to open. So you open this file, and then just copy everything over. So you go to A, Control V. All right, there we go. So everything is copied in here, and that will work. That'll work. So let's save this. So the other way is actually just to download it. So I already downloaded those two files. So I go to Add. I go to where we are. We go to Add an existing item. We go to the place where you download this stuff. This file in this case, I'm gonna just replace it. Say Add. You get a warning. Go yes. Yes to all. And now the file is being replaced. So when I run my website, it suddenly looks a lot different because I applied the Bootstrap CSS and the Bootstrap min.css. Min stands for minimized. Okay, so when I start my website, it suddenly is completely in the dark theme. Now, there's two things that you won't see. First of all, you will have a box over here saying search, and you won't see these buttons register and login. That's because I already made some extra changes to my website, and you should do that as well. Otherwise you will never be able to log in and register a customer when we are busy with the database. So how do you do that? You go back to your project, and let's stop it running. You go to your views, and remember where we changed the shared layout. We now go to the login. No, sorry, we first stay over here, and you have to actually get this link from the old code and paste it in here. And now next to you, you will have the old code for the search box as well. I'll show you. You will have this code. This little piece of code is in there. Just delete it. Okay, so this code is right here. So if it's there, just select it and delete it again, and just get this partial in here. So this partial has the buttons, and those buttons have a problem because if you now would play the site, it would not show up that it has a register and a partial. They're hidden. Actually, they're invisible because of the color choices that the different Bootstrap packages make. So quickly changing that. Let's kill this. Open this login partial and add this Bootstrap code in here. So how do you know what type of Bootstrap code you need? This is an HTML helper, so you need to know where in the HTML helper you need to paste it in. Same goes for normal links, then you paste it in here. But how do you know what kind of Bootstrap theme code you need over here, the right classes? Well, first of all, you can just go simply to this website again. Pick the button that you like. Click on this little icon over here. Say, you know, I want to have, well, since the bar is in the primary colors, I need the secondary color. So you go in here, look up what the secondary color is, the second button. Just get this code, or if depending on what you paste in, you get all of this with the class, and just copy it and use it. So now you need to know, of course, about something about the spacing. If you need that kind of information, you'll not find it on this page. Then you just go to the introduction of the Bootstrap and you start reading to all of this. But there's much the same as in Bootstrap 3, so don't worry too much about it. Or just leave it out and fix it later when you really need to make design choices for your website. For now, we're just fixing problems. So let's see what we've done. We added that code over here. The M1 is just a spacing, so we have a little space between the buttons. These are the buttons that you see directly. These are the buttons that you see after you log in. And of course this one over here. Alright. So, yep, that's it for now. Done with this part. Your site should look like this, just like mine right now. Otherwise, just go over the code slowly. Stop my video, see what I've done, and then you'll be okay. See you in the next video.